Just to update on the DT. I took it out last night later on just to test it out down the line, because nobody goes down there, it's just a path. And anyway, when I was getting started putting into gear, it was just cutting out. So I don't know if I've wrapped it. I don't know where I've put it. Anyway, I was looking for the wire what comes up there. I must have took it up there. See the wire what comes down to this switch. And if you stand still on, the switch is on. So if you're neutral, as soon as you put into gear, because you stand still on, it just cuts the bike out. And I followed the wire up and it was disconnected. So I tried a couple more times, just kept cutting out when I put it into first. And I've just stripped all these wires off, all the tape. And I found that, but it wasn't secured like that. It might have been slack, hopefully. But hopefully it's that, because I don't know what else it can be. Because that's what you normally join to bypass your side stand switch. Because a thing with these side stand switches, if that's got the plug on and it's rigged up to that properly, there's a little button on the bottom you might be able to see. That button wears, and when your stand's moving, it makes your bike cut out and run on and off. So that's why they're unreliable, them side stands. They're good for safety in case you drive away with your stand on, but they are unreliable when that thing wears down and your bike's running, stopping and starting and running and spluttering. That's what it normally is, if it's nothing else. I've got that one on. That's one what doesn't spark with that on, I don't think. But I've had some what do spark with that on, so I don't know. But anyway, tomorrow because it's dark, I'm going to try that again. I've wrapped the wires up more. Hopefully it'll fire up and go into gear this time. So stay tuned for the watch. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Hopefully I'll get it done, because I just want to get this one set now. Right, thanks for watching.